I'm showcasing to you the 5-quart Cosori air fryer along with the 4-quart Cosori air fryer next to it. They look pretty similar, but there are important key differences between the two, and these are coming with the updated displays. So the menu bar, if you guys are looking, the top of both of your units have been updated to reflect some important technological updates that have come to the Cosori line. So you can see all the functions that this can deliver. This will have the chicken, the fries, the frozen, the steak, seafood, veggies, bacon, time, temperature, preheat, keep warm, shake. Same thing on your 4-quart. It's coming with chicken, fries, bacon, steak, veggies. There are no frozen and there is no seafood on your 4-quart here. You get your temperature, your time, still preheat, shake, keep warm, and plus. So the Cosori 5-quart is not going to be Wi-Fi enabled. And if you need the recipes, you can use it inside and find them inside of the VSync app. But the VSync app will not automatically connect with your Cosori. There is no Cosori to connect to. What you get in the box is going to be the user manual, the unit, and the recipe book. It is going to be rated for 1500 watts in terms of overall power. And it weighs just about 10 pounds. So let's open it and let's show you what you get and what it's so special for. So this is what you get inside the box here. You'll be receiving the unit. Here is the tray. So here is your recipe guide. Inside the recipe guide, it'll teach you how to do a number of different recipes. Spring onion chicken skewers, anybody? And garlic herb lamb chops. Yum, yum, yum. The latch on your unit is going to be coming with a button here, so you want to press down that button to unlock it. Now it's coming with a lock. Just see right there, there is a lock. There's also raised edges along the 4 corners here so that it will keep into place. And voila, there is your drip tray. So now that we've powered on our unit, you'll notice that there is a power button set. If I press the power button, it's going to read out to you your temperature and your time. And if you want to adjust those temperatures or times, just press. Goes up to 450. And your timer goes up to 1 hour. If you want to pick any presets, chicken 300, fries is 25 minutes at 380, frozen is 350 at 10 minutes, steak is 450 at 6 minutes, seafood is 350 at 8 minutes, veggies 350 at 10, bacon 320 at 8. Preheat, keep warm, shake just means it's going to pause it and then you can cook or pause and turn it off. And the inside heating mechanism, this is what it looks like. There's your air fryer. Same on your 4-quart, they give a little silicone top and it's a smaller basket. It's not as tall. So for our first test, we are going to be baking some focaccia bread that are going to be done in the air fryer. Let's hit play on both. The Cosori 4-quart is currently working, and you can see it right there. We're going to press it, and then you'll notice that our fries that we have it set on, it's on a timer, 2 minutes left. And even though we're not making fries, we're making some focaccia bread, well, it's going to give you that total time remaining so you know exactly when. If I want to stop it, I could just press stop cooking, but I know exactly what's happening inside of my machine. So I think this heats up faster than previous Cosoris. This, in only about 9 minutes, came out almost well done. I mean, this is pretty well done. So I think the focaccia bread on the other air fryer, on the previous model, took us about 12 minutes. Here, it only is taking us about 9. Hot, hot, hot. And there is our delicious food. So next up, we are going to be making some chicken nuggets, and we're going to make some sweet potato fries. So we're going to put the same amount of chicken nuggets and French fries into each of the baskets. We don't need to cook a lot. Remember, they don't require a ton of time. The Cosoris heat up very quickly. Put 6 in each basket. So this is our 6 here. This thing. You know, one thing about the Cosori 5 quart is that if it's not closed, the power button is not going to be on because this has a safety latch right here. So on the box, it says about 6 minutes. Here, if I press chicken, it says about 15, probably because we're cooking a lot less chicken. So I'm just going to cut my time down to about 12 minutes there. Same thing on our 4 quart. So this is our Cosori 4 quart. We have the 6 chicken nuggets and the French fries. We have it on 350. We have it on 12 minutes. And I can just start cooking now. So all we gotta do is press play, and it is now cooking. Same thing goes for your 5 quart. All I gotta do is press play, and it will start cooking as well. Our app has notified us that our food is ready and ready to enjoy. So our 4 quart has said end, and our 5 quart is completed. So we're gonna take a look at our food here and see what we are gonna eat for dinner. So let's take out our 5 quart first. So this is a fully cooked and crispy chicken nugget, as well as fully cooked and crispy sweet potato fries. I know a lot of us are cooking food that we want to enjoy quickly. So that's why I am trying it first with this, which is going to be our chicken nuggets and our French fries. And this is with the 5 quart Cosori. We'll do the same thing for our 4 quart. Very nicely cooked as well. Good color and fully cooked. You could go another minute or 2 if you want it even crispier, but right now after about 12 minutes, it's pretty crispy. So no need, I feel. This is going to be on our 4 quart air fryer from Cosori, and this is our 5 quart. Both are going to be cooked for 12 minutes at 350 degrees. So very fast. They came out delicious. And I think these Cosoris are an upgrade from even the previous generation. They work faster, they're more efficient. So check it out. This is the Cosori air fryers, and I'll catch you next time. This is Dave with the French Glow, who just cooked himself some dinner. And I'll catch you soon. Bye, bye, bye.